Okay, picking up with Module 9, Session 9.2 project. This is Part 4, which is also the last part to our Session 9.2 project. So what we're going to be doing here is inserting a checkbox content control. So what this would be, for example, if you were to have a form where you might be asked, which of the following items do you plan to purchase in the next 6 months? That's the example it gives you in your textbook. And then it might have a list of items: groceries, a house, shoes, school books, different items, and you would just put a little checkbox, or you would click beside the box of the things that you would be purchasing within the next 6 months. And that's a good way to handle that. And it just keeps it, again, simple and organized. So that's what we're going to be doing in this part of the project. Okay, so we want to click in the cell to the left of the pickup cell. So that is located right here. All right, and then on the ribbon, we want to go to the developer tab. Ours is already clicked because that's what we've been working on this entire time. And in the controls group, we want to click on the checkbox content control. I would imagine that's the one that's got the check in it. And it is checkbox content control. So we're going to click on that. And then what we want to do is go to the properties button, which is exactly what we've been doing each time. And what we want to do is we want to, in the title box, we want to type pickup. And then we want to click on the content control, cannot be deleted. Same thing we've been doing all along. And then we want to click the OK button. All right, now we want to click in the cell to the left of the deliver to cabin. So this is going to be here. Deliver to cabin, and we want to insert the checkbox content control, and we want to go to properties, and we're going to type in the title deliver, and we're going to fix the content control where it cannot be deleted, and we're going to click OK. Now we're going to click in the cell to the left of ship home, which is located right here. And we're going to insert a checkbox, go to properties, and we're going to type as the title will be ship, and we want to click it where it cannot be deleted, and then we want to click OK. And we want to save the changes to our document. All right, so here the first we want to test it out, and the first thing we've always done is to turn design mode off, and ours is already off. So what I want to do, I want to click the pickup checkbox. So I'm going to click that. Oops. Okay, the click up, and then the box is selected as indicated by the X inside of it. Press tab twice, 1, 2, and the deliver checkbox content control is selected. Click the space bar, and then you can see that the checkbox is selected. Click pickup checkbox again, and the X is going to be removed, and then click the deliver checkbox in order to remove that X. All right, so what we have done is worked with content controls. We have used the plane, we have used the date picker, and we have also used the checkbox. And you can see how we went to the developer tab in order to do that. The particular content control we were trying to enter, whether date or checkbox or whatever, we changed the properties, giving it a title as well as making it so that it couldn't be deleted. And then we use the design mode to enter specific text. Instead of using the generic instructions, we wanted something much more specific. You can do that by using the design mode. All right, that is it for session 9.2 videos. We will pick up in the next section when we will be looking at session 9.3, where we will be protecting this document so that it can't be altered. All right, I will see you in session 9.3. Have a great day.